plastic body trim kit.
Yes.
That is all important. That's going to be so rare.
And the side skirts, and frankly, it's good these are off, because if they'd been on, they would have encouraged more rough.
Finding those body kit parts intact is no small bonus, as these are unique to the GTE and so hardest to find. But it's got Tim worried about other GTE-specific components.
Excuse me for pointing this out, but where are the hubcaps on this very rare car?
I don't know, probably inside. Let's take a look in here. Look, got the manual. Here we go.
Oh, yes!
We got one.
3 more is all we need.
That's the only one in here. There's nothing under the seat, nothing anywhere.
So 30-odd years after this GTE squealed around its first corner, Tim and Fuzz have a plan to get it back to its best.
That is a dust cap from a Vauxhall Astra GTE, 1984, right?
Yep.
They don't make them anymore, so I can't get them. We've got 1, we need 4.
I think we can sort something out on that. You want to come through and let's crack on?
I love you, dude. It's great to see you, man.
Grant's company doesn't stock car parts, or any other parts, come to that. But as mechanical engineers, they can make some of them. In fact, they can make pretty much anything.
We need to make some of those. We do?
Yeah, big time, ASAP.
Well, we could 3D print them, but it's going to take time.
Right.
And obviously they need designing up yet. It's quite complex sort of curves on here.
Is that, I mean, do you know what? 3D printing to me is one of those things that you hear a lot about, you don't often see it, right?
Well, you can see some of the detail that can produce. I mean, that's
way.
pretty incredible.
No way, that is amazing. It's just so surreal to think you print that.
Yeah.
So what, you turn that object there into a computerised one first and then...
Yes, yeah, exactly.
The GTE's one remaining hubcap is well on its way to becoming a 3D computer model. The 3D printer has been doing its thing. Layer upon layer of strong, fast-drying liquid plastic mean one cloned hubcap is ready to reveal.
Oh, no way, look at that. That is surreal. So the top has been made, but what about the underside? I mean, it's a lot thicker than the one I brought in.
You know, that's all. It's all there. This is like a kind of a gel. It's called a support material, and it holds all the top up.
Right.
All this comes off, and everything else is in there, revealed inside.
So look, you can see that is absolutely identical. Just needs painting. That is the future right here. You are a legend, son. Thank you so much.
It's the race to get Hugh's car finished that needs to be won. So time for a quietly confident Fuzz to get to work on the car's running gear, including Tim's freebie shocks.
Let's do that up. Spring fits over the top like that. And then that is essentially ready to go back into the Astra.
The Astra is rapidly turning back into the 80s hot hatch it once was.
I'm just tightening up the new fuel regulator. OK, that's looking good.
Sounding great, mate.
The car looks magnificent, although there is one last-minute cherry on the cake. So, with that final touch applied to the car, the job is complete.